Janet Gemmel. I'm a board-certified family law specialist with Cape Fear Family Law. And I wanted to talk to you for a few moments and wanted to talk with some private investigators so that my clients could understand, why would I even need a private investigator? What does one do for me? So private investigators are licensed in order to be able to obtain information that they can then later use in court and that they can come and testify about. Janet, if I hire you, why can't you get that information for me? Well, that's a very good question, and the answer is really clear. I can't get information that I would then have to testify to. I cannot investigate your case in that way. Because if I find out that your spouse is cheating because of some video I took, I would then have to testify about it. And you can't have me do your case and testify too. So a private investigator is very important. I talked to Bert Croom as one of the private investigators in Wilmington that I met with. Wow, did I learn a lot. First, I did not know that one of the main things that he does is do background checks on people. And the information he can get blew my mind. Absolutely amazing. One of the things that Bert said to me when I was at his office is, nobody ever comes there and leaves there without new information about their case, whether or not they hire him. It's important that if you want to go and get a background check on somebody, that you go and talk to Bert Croom. He's amazing.
Well, I'm Bert Croom, and I own a private investigation company here in Wilmington for the last 24 years. People come in here to see us for all different reasons, from criminal cases, where they have civil cases, whether there's be landlord-tenant dispute, patent infringements, ASCAP violations, and as far as domestic investigation goes, domestics, child custody, divorce, it's just, that's the gamut. Well, people every day they come in here, and whether I end up charging them anything or not, you don't walk through my door and you don't necessarily have to pay me anything, and you're going to get something before you leave. We're going to find out something. So the domestic cases are the most fun. The guys are able to sneak around. They use all the equipment from FLIR to night vision to all the new cameras that we have, and then trackers. We use trackers as well. We do asset investigations, and we do it up to a point, and then it comes to, we can do everything from vehicles, homes, just everything in their names. I mean, we can go quite a ways with hidden assets. If they've got a bank in North Carolina and they've got money in a bank in their name, and just in North Carolina, the state of North Carolina, we can purchase that information. It tells us what bank. We have all different people coming in our office wanting stuff done. And my office here is we're a LBGT friendly. In custody cases, a lot of times, probably 90% of the times, these people on the other side, the husband or wife, will get a new boyfriend or girlfriend, and then the next thing you know, that person's moving in. And so the wife or the husband will want to know who the guy is or who the girl is. So they'll come in here. First thing we do is we run their name on a comprehensive search. And that initial comprehensive search is a search that gives everything from their full name, their date of birth, any names they've used, any social security numbers they've used, any address they've ever lived at, any names associated with their names, any relatives, any social media accounts that they may have, and it goes through a gamut of information. There's no telling what you may have on you. So, and that's why we run you, and that's why we want to know. And you need to know who's watching your kid. You need to know who's watching your child. I want to know who's watching my child. And I'm a family man, and family's important. I mean, you gotta look out for these people that can't help themselves. We're going to confirm what your spouse is doing.
I hope the information on private investigators has been helpful to you. Remember to keep your family close and to call us if you have any questions.